Welcome to Spice and Pans. Subscribe to our channel for our recipes weekly.
Hi and welcome to Spice and Pans. Today we'll be cooking Chinese style salmon in ginger garlic sauce. So let's start cooking. In a heated pan, add in some oil. Approximately about 1 to 1.5 tablespoons of oil. Heat the oil up. We are going to fry some ginger. A small piece of ginger julienne like this. Okay, put them into the oil. Fry them until golden brown. We are going to flavor this oil, and of course this can be used as garnishing also. Fry them at medium to low heat. We don't want to burn them. Ginger and fish is the perfect combination. It kills off fishiness and it imparts a very nice oriental taste to the fish. Make sure you move them around. Some of them are starting to turn brown. Okay, when it's about done, remove from heat. Leave the oil behind. Don't throw this away, we use this to garnish the fish later. I have a piece of salmon fish which I've seasoned with salt and pepper on both sides. On the skin I've scored it like this so that it won't curl up too much. Always fry the fish skin first into the pan. And make sure that the pan is hot so that the fish will not stick to the pan. Fry them approximately about 2 minutes on each side or until cooked. Do not turn them around way too much. You want some crispiness on the skin. You can see that the sides are starting to cook already. Let's just turn them over and fry the other side. Right, this is the crust that we want. A little bit crispy on the skin. Now we just need to cook the fish through. Scoring the skin through also make it cook easier. Right, as you can see over here. When it's done, you can actually see that the fish meat is more on the pinkish white rather than red. It's about 2 minutes on each side. I want my skin to be crispier, so I'm going to fry this skin side again. I'll do another minute or so on the skin. The fish is done already, I'll just remove it from heat. With the oil, we'll fry some garlic. Around 3 cloves of garlic chopped. When you start to smell the garlic, add in 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of Shaoxing Jiu or Chinese cooking wine, half a cup of water, 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce, as well as 1 tablespoon of sesame seed oil. We'll put the ginger back in. The sauce smells really good. When the sauce is boiling, add in half a teaspoon of sugar. Stir up well. And we'll thicken it with cornstarch solution. A little bit more and we're done. Okay. Time to serve this up. And we'll now pour this beautiful sauce all over the fish. And ladies and gentlemen, this is how we do our Oriental style fried salmon in garlic ginger sauce. I hope you like our video. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.